Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. In today's video, we're going to be wrapping up my kitchen decor and declutter.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh, we're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid
how the kitchen organization and declutter came out.
Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like
So this is how the dining area came out, and the kitchen.
like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below to join our little YouTube family, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching.
I can't help myself.